Right, so it's back on the Beetle again, and if you remember from last time, I made a start on this washer bottle area. Now I've cut a lot more out than I originally thought, only because there was quite a bad moisture trap between the panels that are sandwiched together. So I've actually got a small section to weld in first, and then I come in with the second layer, which makes this washer bottle panel that sits in there. Now you can buy these complete, they're about 30 odd quid, but it is literally only this bottom section that I need, so I'm quite happy enough to give it a go and make that little bit there. I've traced the brake reservoir pattern already, so I can cut it into the new piece of steel. Just clean it up first, and then I'll get going with making it. So I've applied the rust converter all in that wheel well, and now I'll just go and make that panel to insert in there. Just a little bit more bend. Should get it. But it's not too sad for a first attempt. A little bit more trimming, and as usual a little bit more fettling. I've just gone and cut that small section of rot out in that wheel well there. I'm actually going to have to enlarge that. I've gone up underneath and seen that it just needs a little bit of a larger area cut out, and I've also give the sections that are going to be welded in a little coat of weld through primer. And they're the pieces there that are going to go in. So this strip is going to go in first, and that's going to sit about there. Weld that in, and then obviously the top water bottle section is going to sit there. Just punch some holes in there as well for plug welds. So another job in between letting things dry up the front end there, just treated this whole back end, and just put a little bit of skim of filler down on them rear arches there. It looks rubbish at the minute, but once I've smoothed that out, it should look a whole lot better. That's another bolt I've got to weld a nut to, try and extract body mount bolt. So I've just welded some nuts onto the rear of this rear valance now, just so it can accommodate the bolts for the latches bracket there, and I've also given it a little guide coat so I can start working on getting this panel. too sad then. I hate plug welding, but that's the carpet tracking. And still yet to grind it down, but looking a lot better in there. Now I've just got that little patch down in the wheel well there, and there's 2 patches either side that I need to get welded in. So I think that's pretty much it. All the welding done. I've even put a couple of new wing nuts in here and there. So now for a lot of grinding. Looking better in there now. Still a little bit more work, but nearly there. And just finished that seam off on that carpet track there with a little bit of filler. So that is all I can manage for today. So make it better than it was, and I'll see you on the next one. Yeah, man.